Hi guys, welcome back to Easylicious. I thought you guys maybe have some leftovers from the cream cheese yogurt cheesecake baking from the other day, and I thought I can maybe show you a easy quick breakfast solution for that, because I mean almost everyone is in lockdown at the moment, and maybe it's only me, but like you get sick and tired of every day the same breakfast solution, especially when you have kids at home and like, mommy, I want cereals, mommy, I want French toast, I want this, I want that. And after like almost 1.5 months in lockdown, I'm running out of ideas, and I came across about some old recipes I used to grow up with, and so I'm gonna do that today and the next days again. And they're also healthy, much more healthy than the standard ones. So we're gonna do today cheese yogurt pancakes. So it's not healthy in terms of I'm making diet and I'm gonna lose weight forever, but I mean they're gonna be much more healthy than the standard pancakes with yeast and everything. We're gonna need my favorite double fat yogurt. We need 1 egg, some flour. I gonna grate 1 apple in because I have a lot of Granny Smith apple and I don't like really to eat them, but you can bake with them, you can use breakfast. So I'm gonna grate it and put it in the dough. So first just peel an apple, and 1 is absolutely enough if you don't have like 10 people in your family. And I'm just gonna grate it quickly. I'll make it big. Doesn't matter if you have then some parts in your dough. It gives actually a nice crunch. It's nice. If you don't like it, just make it smaller. Absolutely up to you. I like it if you have some fresh taste. So, almost done. So, that's actually it. Just cleaning everything up. So, putting this already into the bowl. You don't have to drain this from the apple juice because we are not adding any other fluids despite the yogurt, so doesn't matter. I said 1 egg before I make the yogurt. Just want to show you, I want to have them more fluffy. That's why I'm gonna separate the egg now. 1 I have, and gonna whip the egg white, and gonna add it then separately when the dough more or less is done at the end. But oops, I'm gonna have to separate the egg yolk first. Gonna add this already to the apples. So I love my gadget. So see, absolutely amazing. This can go, that's it already. So, okay, the amount of sugar, absolutely more than enough for me. I don't like sugar. That's why maybe if you're gonna cook it as well, just try it. If it's not enough for you, just add more sugar. I probably add a little bit more cinnamon. It works quite well with the apple together. Just have some cinnamon powder. Just mix the cinnamon powder in. Yeah, oh my god, it smells so good. It smells a little bit like Christmas. now time for my old-fashioned ready mixer again, where I have just to whip the egg white, and then we just put it in the frying pan and gonna make some nice fritters. So let's plug this dinosaur in, and then get some nice egg whites, and then we're gonna just add it gently to the dough, and those bubbles are gonna make the dough absolutely fluffy and amazing and nicely to eat. Here we go. So, whoa. Absolutely ready, nice and solid, and gonna show you now a trick how you test if it's really solid and if it's really ready. Okay, do you guys have an idea how to know if your egg white is really done? You make the head test. Here's the egg white. Actually, make it like this, and if it's not false on your head, then you know it's done. So, okay, now let's put it into the dough, and just mix it gently under it, and I love it, just love it, the texture of just plain egg whites, and when you mix it under the dough, oh, I just love cooking. You can see gives absolutely a fluffy texture. So, this is how the dough looks like. Nice and fluffy. So now it's time already. We get the stove ready. Frying pan. Some sunflower oil. You can also use butter, but it's, I think, a bit much. And I'm putting it like a medium heat. 7. And I prefer to use a little brush not to use too much oil. Yeah, shining in my eyes. Not to use too much oil. So I rather use the brush to make sure that the oil is everywhere in the frying pan. So then I'm going to turn the camera down again, but you can see how does it look like. Get 2 spoons ready, as I have already one. See how the dough actually, yeah, it's supposed to be like this. Get another spoon, and then we just wait for the pan to heat up. And it's heating up nicely. That's the way. It doesn't have to be hot. We don't want to burn them, otherwise they can be quite burned, which is first of all not healthy. Secondly, it doesn't look nice, and you don't want to have it like this. So just take a like a spoonful. If the pan is still coolish, doesn't matter. They start to bake then from underneath, and we save time. Yeah, so more than 4 won't fit now in here. I don't want that they stick together. You make them now roundish. Like with the cheesecake, topping, imperfection is the new perfect. So that's basically it. So now we wait. What you can do if you want to save time, just putting a lid on the top to make sure that they cook through already and goes quicker. Amazing. I think I switched the light off that you guys can see it better. No more. I don't like it black. So we can put this on the side because it seems like this side is much more hot than the other one. I need to replace this stove soon. It's just a nightmare. But as soon as it works, it's like my mixer, like from the Stone Age. As long as it still works, we keep it. Yeah, I wanted to show you that you really make sure that it's baked through. Basically, you do the same thing like with cakes or whatever. So you see there's still some sticky on it, and so we just keep it a while in it. This is through. Let's turn it around a little bit more. So, and then you can, oh, it smells amazing. So, that's actually basically it. So you can fry them as brown as you like. And yeah, I'm gonna put them now into the other plate, onto the other side. You can see. And I'm gonna make the rest of the dough. And yeah, that's basically it. While I'm making the rest, I just want to answer some questions which I'm sure they will come up. I'm sure instead of yogurt, like with the cheesecake, you can also use cottage cheese. Sour cream works even better than cottage cheese. Cream cheese, I tried as I came to South Africa, but I must say the taste from the cream cheese, it comes through. It's not the same. I wouldn't use it. Then rather cottage cheese. And it's also, I think it's a bit too fat. So the healthy things that you get from the yogurt or sour cream, you don't have them anymore if you use cream cheese. It's a bit too fat. So rather stick with cottage cheese, but I'm telling you, if you use Greek yogurt or the double fat cream I have, it's still fat, but I mean it's a good fat, and it's really delicious and nice and fluffy and soft. And if you use cream cheese, which is quite too thick, you take the fluffiness actually away. So have you seen it? I mean, in the pan, it took like literally 5 to 8 minutes to make four hot. I don't have long nails anymore. I cut them today. So 4 pancakes. I'm sure you can. It goes quick. So if you make normal pancakes in the morning, you can do that too. Now I'm going to prepare a nice plate. Going to make some nice photos and show you how you can serve it. Me personally, like I said, I just like to dip this thing in absolutely amazing fresh sour cream. The one which is like creamy, that's actually it. This is how I like it. If you want to put syrup on it, feel free. Everyone has their own taste. It also works well just to put like cinnamon sugar in it, or you can make your own apple puree. It's literally so easy. You just peel apples, cut them a little bit tiny, put them in a pot, a little bit of water, cook them for a couple of hours, and then just mix it. Yeah, it's absolutely easy. It's also nice to eat the apple puree on it. some fresh fruit, or another splash of yogurt if you still have leftovers, icing sugar. You can even put custard on it if you like, whatever you please. Those kind of things are really delicious. I convinced quite a lot of people to eat that, and they are all like it. So I hope you liked my video. Gonna see just the serving suggestions just now, and please try it out by yourself, and if you liked it, make a photo, post it on my Facebook page. I would love to see your pictures. So I put them, took some out, and this is sour cream, some raspberries. I would eat it like this, okay? For me, that's enough. But like I said, feel free to put some icing sugar on it, syrup, or whatever, and just enjoy it. It will be amazing. Have you seen this as I opened it? So, oh my god, it's so good. I don't even need sour cream, but I put some on it. It is so, I can show you again. Look at this. I just cut it in half. This is, I don't want to burn my stuff, you know. I don't want to get cancer or something like this. It's absolutely nice. It didn't lose volume because probably of the baking powder and the egg white, but we never put yeast in it, just a little bit of flour. So look at this. Mine. Oh my god. Apple, little bit of sweetness, but you have the apple little bit slightly come through, and you can taste the cinnamon. Absolutely amazing. If you need it much more sweeter, I'm sure you do if you have kids, little kids, they like it sweet, most of them, but I mean, you can also teach them. Honey, looks quite good. So that's it from my side. Enjoy cooking. Let me know if you like it. I hope, please. See you soon, guys. My sour cream, this is how you eat this. To die for. And it's afternoon. Okay, but I could eat breakfast also every time. But I'm not eating so much. I gotta keep this for my family. So, I hope you enjoyed my video. It was a short one today, but that was actually the idea of my channel. Easy and delicious. So, happy breakfast time for you guys the next days. Enjoy. I love you. Stay safe, and hope to see you soon. Mwah.